Hi there, thanks for joining me today. We're back in the garage, but I'm excited today because we're on the security of the house. Really important. I've got Ring cameras at the moment, but I've been looking, well, not to change, but is there something on the market that can improve our security? They are only running around about 2K quality. This is the eufy S4 system. It's really impressive. By all accounts, the stats on it look amazing. It's got these cameras which have got 360 pan and tilt. Also, it's got 4K cameras on the top. So there's twin cameras running on the system all the time. Also, I don't want to be running wires all around the house, like, you know, plugging in. This system is all wireless. It runs on a wireless system, and it's also got solar panels on the cameras to charge them up. The quality should be good. eufy is a well-known brand. They are proven, tested. So let's get it out of the box and see what we can do. Important thing as well, and now this is a real good selling point. This is what's made me get the box here. Subscription free. There's no more subscription fees. So if this all works well, I think the Ring cameras might be on the way out, because you've got to save yourselves a few quid. Also, this has got a hard drive. So the camera's linked to the hard drive within the house. So all the data's stored. Okay, let's have a look, see what we get. This system comes in at around about 630 quid. And we get these cameras, like I say, these are the new S4 cameras. They, oh, look at these beauties. These are delightful. So you've got 360 pan and tilt and the 4K camera on the top, which is, you can set that height. So that's a static camera. You set it to exactly where you want it to be. Whereas this one automatically tracks people. It uses AI within the hard drive. It can even do facial recognition. It knows what your family members look like, so it doesn't bother with them. If some stranger comes along, it's looking, it's recording. 2-in-1 bullet plus a pan and tilt zoom camera and a 360-degree coverage with no blind spots. How clever is that? It's a really nicely put together piece of kit. It does feel lovely. What do you reckon? So with this kit, we get 2 cameras. And this kit is also expandable. We can add to it. We can add the doorbell if we want at a later date. We can add more cameras. We can upgrade the hard drive. And there we go. That is the hard drive recording unit. It's very nice and small and compact. It's not a huge thing. Yeah, it's not massive. Nice looking bit of kit. And the other thing in the box here, we get some instructions, some stickers, and the solar panels. These panels can power the camera. As long as they get an hour of sunlight a day, it's enough to recharge the battery. They are absolutely delightful. Look at those. How nice are they? There's an awful lot of tech going on here, I have to say. It's a wonderfully made bit of kit. And then in the packet there, we've got as mounting brackets, extension wires, wall charger, and some fixing bolts, brackets, and solar panel brackets if you want to externally mount them. Right, we need to get this thing set up. We'll power up the hard drive, we'll get the cameras charged, let's get the phone app downloaded. On the box we've got the QR code there, we'll go to the camera, we'll just scan. Okay, app download, we'll get that. Okay, we'll open it up. Right, we need to sign up. Okay, we're there. We just need to plug this in now. Let's get it plugged in the wall. get it powered up, and we can add it to our system. So this is where the house routers are. So I just need to connect the Eero up to the eufy system there. We'll put the Ethernet cable in, and then into the back of, there we go. We've got communication, the light's flashing, so that should hopefully start talking now. Okay, the light on the front is now turned blue. Scan the QR code on the bottom of the HomeBase.
HomeBase has received a pairing request. Press the sync button on the back to accept it. HomeBase was added successfully.
Cool. Give your HomeBase a name. Brill. Well, that's the first bit done. That was pretty straightforward. Now we've got a solid blue bar on there as well. So now we need to go to next. I'll agree to that. Familiarise. This is saying that the face management system, like I was saying, the AI, it can recognise people's faces. We've now activated that as well. Well, I might as well do my face now, haven't I? So take a photo. Right, okay, got to update the firmware. Cool, updated. Right, now we can add the cameras. Add camera. Press the sync button. We can spin that round, and on the back we've got the sync button. I just heard it. Something's just happened. Yes, it's found it. Wow.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
It can't be this easy. It really can't be this easy. Done. Done. It's connected. Right, okay, that's one of them done then. Oh, my word. I can't believe how easy this is. Sync. Success. Okay, so we've got some updates to go onto the cameras. Oh, that's better. Now we're clear. Oh dear. If you had a brain, it'd be dangerous. Wow, that is clear. Let me turn the sound down on that. That is very, very nice. So if I click on this, oh yeah, you can see it moving now, look. Holy smoke, that is incredible. Look at that moving round. Just by touching the phone screen, you've got a full 360 pan and tilt, and then the 4K at the top is just crystal clear. Wonderful. Let's go and screw these up to the wall of the house and yeah, see what we get. Can't wait for this. The beauty of this now as well, because we've got live feed through the through your phone app, if we keep watching that when we take this out to where we want to put it, we know the Wi-Fi is going to be strong enough. So let's go out to the garden with the camera, and we can make sure his Wi-Fi signal is pucker. So if I take this outside to the garden, okay, so we're outside, I've got the camera, I'm looking at what the picture is that it's receiving. I'm thinking then, just up here would be a perfect spot. It's got full pan of the whole of the downstairs here, and I could get the 4K camera pointing towards down the garden, so if anybody comes up the garden, it's going to capture those, and the pan and tilt will tell us everything that's going on in here. So yeah, that's the first one spot, just up there. Using the screws and the bracket supplied, that just slides in and locks in like that. And I'm going to pop that up there like that. So if I just screw this bracket in, I reckon just about there looks perfect. Them screws go in really nice. They've got a good cut on them. And then the camera will just slide in. Then we've got a couple of screws either side to put in as well. So the only other thing now we've got to do is get the solar panel, which I'm just going to pop on the top of the roof. Let's get it out there. So we've got the panel, we've got the extension cable, we have the solar panel mounting, so that's going to sit in the back of the solar panel. And again, this is on a wibbly wobbler that we can adjust wherever we want it to be, just by adjusting this little mounting at the bottom. 2 screws will mount this up on the roof. A little USB-C socket there. We're up on the roof, we've got the solar panel, and I'm going to attach that now. There's the wire. And I'm going to have this little solar panel here sitting on the side there like that, and that's going to get the sunshine. Plug the wire in. Nice watertight USB-C connector. Peel the film off. There we go. Last thing we've got to do is just tidy up this wire in. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. Okay, yeah, looking at the images now, the fixed camera just needs to come down a little bit. We're just getting a bit of the garage roof in there, which we don't need. So let's just push that down a tiny bit. I think we could probably go just a tiny bit more. Yep. Yeah, that looks good. And with that, we can also now rotate that all the way around to be pointing at the garage door. Look at it go all the way around, look. How cool is that? Because sometimes, when I go out, I'm halfway up the road and I go, did I lock the garage door? Did it come down? Did it get stuck? It's an electric door, it comes down. Can't remember if I did it or not. Now I can just get my phone and look and see that I've actually put the door and closed it, which is great stuff. Because I wouldn't want it pointing that way all the time, but if I just need to check it now, I can spin that camera around and get the view of it. That is an amazing feature. Full 360-degree pan and tilt camera.
With auto zoom.
And it's silent. Incredible. Right, let's do the same with the front camera. We'll take this outside and go and find a spot for it. Yeah, that's a spot up here.
Feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try.
Let's have a look at the picture. Bingo. There we go, we've now got the full vision for the camera. And we should be able to pan that around as well if you want to pan. So we can have one looking one way and one looking the other. Which is great. That is amazing. Wow. I can start that over here in front of the house, and if anybody walks up the road it should track them. You can see now that the camera has got AI tracking and it's following us all the way around the front of the house. I like that. That is clever. Even behind the tree, when I come out the other side, it knows, look, and it's followed me. It's caught up with me, look. You can't hide from this one.
If we go to the phone app and have a look down there, you can see where it's got all the people that it's picked up, humans, and it's got me because I'm registered as AI. And as it picks up the people walking past, it actually tells you if it recognises them and it zooms in on them. Let's just demonstrate the sound and the quality of the downloaded video footage. So this is off the app. So you can clearly hear the doorbell and him knocking on the door. If we go to the high quality download tab, this is what you get. It's incredibly clear. Clever bit of kit.
Now looking at this, we go to the fixed camera and it's saying we can zoom it. Oh, we just stretch it out. Oh. 4 times zoom. And that is picking up registrations of the car across the road.
This 4K camera is extremely powerful and good quality. Don't forget, no subscription. I pop the latest price and links and discount code in the description below.
So I'm really happy with how this eufy system's come out. It's been so easy to download. It's taken me less than, well, I call it an hour, say an hour, no more than an hour to do both the cameras, get them up, get them fitted, download the app, get it working on the phone, still the settings. This 360 pan and tilt, 4K, zoom in and out, 8 times on the app. The quality of the pictures is really good. And it's simple, isn't it? What a cracking bit of kit. We've got the hard drive as well, so you've got that peace of mind that if your Wi-Fi connection to the house, if your internet connection to the house breaks, if that goes, you're still going to get recording onto your hard drive, which is going to be extremely good quality, and we can watch that back later. We can go straight into the date and everything and get all that recordings back. So yeah, I'm really impressed. This being the solar power as well, there's no wires running to it, you haven't got to plug anything in. No feeding wires back to a DVR unit in the house. Simplicity, absolute simplicity. Press the button, it automatically linked. If this has been a use, I'm going to put links in the description. I should get a discount code if I can find one. I should put it in the description as well. Yep. So if you've enjoyed this one, please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. I feel safe as houses.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.